Hi guys, it's Cherise. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you a quick DIY protein treatment that I use in my hair. I use this about once every 2 months. So for this you're just going to need a banana, an egg, some raw honey, some extra virgin olive oil, black castor oil, and coconut oil. So I just start by putting in half a banana and you're going to mash this up basically. So this is my first time trying banana and girl, let's just say it didn't go too well, but I think that's because I didn't mash it up correctly. But it worked. It worked in my hair, but trying to get it out of my hair was a struggle. So if you guys know any tricks about that, yeah, just comment down below because it was hard to get out. But anyways, so yeah, we're just gonna mash that banana up in the bowl. Okay, so don't mind the honey and the coconut oil moving. No, there's no ghost. That was my grandma moving the stuff out the way of the camera for me. So after that, we're just gonna take one egg. We're gonna crack that, maybe. Gonna try to. And you're gonna put it in the bowl. And we're just gonna stir all that together. Okay, so now we're going to take our raw honey and we're going to take about a teaspoon of this. I added a little more, but that's just me. But yeah, about a teaspoon. And you're going to mix that in real good. Okay, so now we're gonna add some coconut oil. I just eyeball this one. I would say that's about a teaspoon. I don't know, but yeah, I just squirt it in and then mix it up. And then we are going to add some Jamaican black castor oil, and we do about a teaspoon of that, and we mix that all up. So yeah, Jamaican black castor oil is really good for thinning hair, so that's why I added to my protein treatment. You could basically add any type of like oils you want, it doesn't matter. I also put some extra virgin olive oil in there also. Okay, so now we're just gonna put our treatment in our hair. I suggest using a towel because it gets kind of messy, but basically I have no rhyme or reason to this. I do this over a sink because some of the stuff is messy and drips. But yeah, we're just gonna put this all in your hair. Oh, and I sprayed my hair off camera just to get my hair damp so my cuticles are open so the treatment can penetrate my hair. So yeah. So as you guys can see, this is what I meant by the banana part. So I just kind of have like chunks of banana on my hair, so I try to rub it in. But yeah, I obviously didn't mash this up correctly, but it still got its use out of it. But yeah, so we're just rubbing this all in our hair. And I'm just pulling it through a little bit. I apologize for the lighting too. I tried to like pick the clips that showed the most part of my hair, but yeah, that's the best I could do. I also forgot to mention that I do my protein treatments before I wash my hair. I don't like the idea of like banana and egg stuck in my hair. You don't have to do it that way, but that's how I do it. So after we put everything in, we're just gonna clip our hair up, put it in a plastic bag, and leave it in for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then just shampoo and wash as normal. And this is just a clip of how my twist I look the next day. My hair is very shiny. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.